How to enable social updates notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable social updates notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it, and then just click notifications and scroll and here you will find it social updates, and if you want to enable it, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you see here now, just you need to wait 2 days. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.